Hi everyone, how you doing? Welcome to Lana3LW. Check it out. We're at Toys R Us and we have the Jeep Hurricane right here. This is the front of the vehicle. Okay. Alright. It's a very big Jeep. Really nice. Alright. Here's the side of it. The front right here. Really nice design. Love the treads. Okay, front guard. And then we have the Hemi engine. This part's made out of aluminum right here. Open it up. This is where you put the cargo stuff right here. All your snacks and candy. This is what the side of the vehicle looks like. Okay, and you notice this is a jump-in car. Doors do not open. There aren't any doors. Okay, but there is a opening right here for footing. Alright, so this is the back of the vehicle. Really nice. A lot of details into this car. Wow. Fun R8D. The license plate says Fun R8D. Alright, here we go. Okay. And these are sticker lights right here. Okay. There we go. Back. This is where the battery is kept. Aluminum headrest. Right there. Okay, steering wheel. Sticker gauges. This is the dash right here. We've got the MP3 radio, battery powered. And a little key slot right here. Okay. And these are just like fake little buttons right here. Navigation GPS system. Cup holder. Gas pedal, and here's the stick shift. Okay. Forward, neutral, and reverse. Pretty cool. Alright, there's Lana. Hi Lana.
Hi.
Alright. As you can see, the steering wheel is very sensitive and easy to turn the front wheels right here. Really nice. Very big vehicle. I think this is one of the biggest vehicles I've seen for kids' electric car. Alright Lana. Lana, you like it?
Yeah!
Alright. It's an all-terrain vehicle. Look at this. This car can go anywhere. Or this Jeep can go anywhere. Very rugged.